Hey guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Whew, happy with the Twist Acrylic Pores Plus. And I am going to switch this over to paper out here. And we're going to do a little something. And I will be right back. Hang on, guys. And we're back. I have on black gloves tonight because it's Friday. And we're dressing up. How's that sound? Okay. This is what I was going to do on Come Craft with Sally Ann. And once I started out, I totally lost my mind on what it was I wanted to try out. So we're going to do it here. We're going to hope it turns into a figure 8 with negative space. Alrighties. Pull up the little sleeves here. And they'll, of course, fly back down. That's alright. And I believe I'm just going to use a small paper cup to pour into. I'm not going to use the split cups, just a small little paper cup. That's what I'm thinking. So, I hope everybody is doing well. It's been rainy here the past couple days, if not longer. My goodness. It's cold. Well, it could be a lot colder, but it's just not. Just doesn't quite feel like spring out there. I hear the heat is on the way, and the rain should be over for a little while. So, we can say yay to that. I'd like to take Princess outside. Though she does need a bath, like, really bad. Okay. Let's put this back on here. And let's get a cup. Oh. I just found the gloves that I thought I'd lost. Okay, yay. Oh my. I'm sorry if I don't seem like I'm here tonight. I am. I'm just hyper as a diaper, I want to tell you. Whew. Alrighty. Let's start out with some... You know what I found is a really, really good combination? Magenta Deep and Copper. Yowie. I loved it. Okay, we're going to put some of that into there. And where's that copper? There it is. Yeah, copper. Okay. And I think on top of that, we are going to put some turquoise. Because turquoise is gorgeous with the copper. And then after that, I have no clue. Maybe some... I really don't want to do the neon pink if I don't have to. Let's put some violet in there. If I can find one that's already open. There we go. I tell you, I got quite the zoo down here. I came down to do a paint pour on, it must have been Monday. Came down and was doing something. Trying to get the canvas off of here. And doggone if the spider didn't come down from up here. It just came down and it actually hit my head first, and at first I was like, what is that? Oh, it's a spider. Okay. So I wigged out a little bit. I wasn't expecting it, and it ran back through there, so I was going to come down the next day. It's like, no, it could still be around. And it could even still be around. But when Sally Wednesday asked if I was up to doing a painting duo, I'm like, sure, let's do it. So, I have not seen the spider since, but after that, oh goodness, after that, hang on, I gotta find my words. Okay, afterwards, there was a bee or a bumblebee or a wasp up there in the lights up above. I'm like, I just give up. Am I running a little farm here, or what? So, my spiders and bumblebee wasp. Phew. Let's put, as much as I don't like it, let's put some green in there. We're just going to make this all kind of colors. Okay. Is there anything? Let's put some of the copper on top of the green. Okay. This copper does take over, so you got to be careful. Alright, I'm going to put this back into here. That copper went right, it sunk right down in there. I don't know if you're able to see it from where I put you at. I don't even know how it's going to be set up when I upload it. Alrighty. Okay, those can... There we are. Okay. Okay, we got plenty of paint here. Okay, a figure 8 it's going to be. Wish me luck on remembering how to do a figure 8. Okay. Oh my goodness, we're... Okay. Should have done it on a much larger canvas, but didn't want to because just in case it didn't turn out. But they seem to be muddying a bit, so zoom. I think I may have changed direction. I don't know. Zoom. Probably wanted to draw a figure 8 on there to begin with, so I'd know which way to go. Numbers is hard sometimes, you know. Numbers can be hard. Alright. This is just not looking all that promising as to what I saw somebody else do, but they put a lot more room into their 8, so that might make a difference. This is an 8 by 10, just in case I didn't say, and I'm sure I did not. So we're just going to distribute this all over. How's that? I don't know what it's going to turn out to be. I would try a marble, but that just might make it worse. Those are going to be some very pretty skins. Okay. And of course there's a schnot bugle in there. Tomorrow night I'm just going to sit in the family room. I swear to goodness. And watch maybe a movie. Okay. Get a little bit of that paper towel here. Wipe my handies off. This is different. It is different. That copper in there is very pretty. Pluck that out. Yay. Thought maybe I was too shaky for it. And let me go over this one little quickie time. If I see some bubbles. That wasn't even turned off. Oh my goodness. Okay. So pop those. Okay. And I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Helmets and seatbelts, please. All right. Whew. Here we go at the corner. Can you see that copper in there? Isn't that pretty? And there's where... Did I put white back in there? I don't know, but we have some light violet. I won't know until I go over this video of what colors I did put in there. Oh my goodness. I guess I'm just a hyper mess tonight. Hyper good. So. Oh, that could have been mixed with the metallic white underneath that violet may have. Oh, and there's the strings running through there. Wow, I'm kind of impressed for a quickie here. Alrighty, guys. I want to thank you for watching. And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. A very happy Mother's Day to all you mothers and the fathers who have been there as mothers. And if you don't have any children, and if you got pets, you're still a parent. Oh, you're still a mom or a dad. Alrighties. Click the like if you want. Put a comment down below if you'd like, and subscribe. And we will see you next time. Hopefully I will be a little bit more calmer. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful evening. This is Jackie from the basement. Happy with a twist. Acrylic Pores Plus. Signing off. Bye-bye for now.